Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need a clean, isolated environment to avoid dependency conflicts, so start now by creating one. First, confirm Python 3.10 or newer is installed, then choose a project folder and run Python env. venv. Once done, activate the environment on Mac OS/Linux use source. venv/bin/activate on Windows use. venv /scripts/activate. This links Python and pip to this folder so packages install locally, making your project reproducible and preventing system-wide changes. Now that your venv is active, focus on package management. First, upgrade pip so you get the latest resolver and speed. Run Python mpip install upgrade pip. Then install needed packages with pip install package or pip install r requirements. txd for multiple dependencies. Once done, pin versions using pip freeze requirements. txd or use piptools/poetry for locked installs. This ensures consistent environments across machines. Make sure to run tests after installs to verify compatibility and catch import errors early. Finish by freezing your dependency set with pip freeze requirements. txd and commit that file to version control. Deactivate the environment with deactivate when you stop working and ensure. venv is listed in. Git ignore so it isn't tracked. If something breaks, say binary wheels mismatch or import errors, recreate the venv, delete, venv and run Python env. venv, then reinstall from requirements. txd. This often resolves corrupted state or leftover platform-specific artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.